Welcome to Cadence Pointwise's Tutorial Tuesday, where we show you how to use a feature or demonstrate a technique in just a couple of minutes. In this video, we're going to talk about the Mapped Subdivision Ratio parameter that is located inside the automatic surface mesh functionality. In order to illustrate this concept, I have in front of you a very simple database surface. I'm going to select my surface and go to Create Automatic Surface Mesh. The parameter I'm interested in is located in the Advanced tab and is this parameter right here called Mapped Subdivision Ratio. The default value for this parameter is 10, as you can see in there, and you can take a value that goes from 0, which is going to turn off this feature, all the way up to infinity. So what is this parameter going to do for you? So basically, it's going to look for sets of 4 connectors that form a closed loop, and then is going to compute the ratio between the number of subdivisions in the longest connector divided by the number of subdivisions in the shortest connector. If that ratio is actually larger than whatever number you specified in here, then that surface is going to be identified as a thin surface. And what that means is that the domain that is created using that set of 4 connectors is going to be an unstructured domain that is created starting from a structured domain. So there's going to be a special structure-unstructure mapping going on, and the final result is an unstructured domain that has a structure-like characteristic, which is, of course, very desirable for these kind of thin surfaces. So to illustrate the concept, I'm going to set the map subdivision ratio to 0, which is going to turn off the feature, and then I'm simply going to go ahead and create a surface using the automatic surface mesh functionality. You can see right here, if I get a little bit closer, this particular domain, in this case, obviously has not been identified as a thin surface and applied that special structure-unstructure mapping because I have right there, of course, triangular cells. So I'm going to go again to the Advanced tab, and now I'm going to set this number, this parameter, to 10. I'm going to regenerate the surface again, and what you're going to see is this surface is then going to be identified as a thin surface. The special structure-unstructure mapping is going to happen, and my final domain is going to have that beautiful structure characteristic that is, of course, very desirable. If you like this video, be sure to click the thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, drop us a line down below or connect with us on LinkedIn, which is linked in the description. Thank you all and have a pleasant Tuesday.